hamon guys. Late lunch na to kasi nagutom na kami, galing kami sa grocery. Marami kaming ginagawa today. I have fish sandwich with sauce.
Get your new 65-inch TV free at the Dump Luxury Outlet. 15,000 stores closed at year-end with more announcements every day. Stranding massive shipments of luxury.
Do you have a sauce with this one? Broccoli sauce or what we call that? Does not. We have a sauce here like a purple sauce. A sweet sauce.
One outlet at 50% off. Power reclining sofas, all top-grade leather with surround sound. 50% off.
Some kind of sweet sauce
Your new
you can add.
65-inch TV is free. Brookstone Zero Gravity Ergo Power Recliner with shiatsu massage and surround sound. 50 off. And the TV.
And I have jalapeno bites, which is my favorite one.
Power sleepers, luxury beds, all with surround sound. 50% off. Even the most advanced Tempur-Pedics. And this weekend, your new TV is free. 15,000 stores closing. 50% off. 65-inch TVs free. One weekend at the Dump Luxury Outlet.
After here, I'm gonna be going to grocery again, which is American store. I'm done of a Filipino food. Asian market. I'm done with Asian market. Kain po tayo. Nga nga.
Maybe even your chatty coworker who keeps distracting you?